真係冇諗過，原來以為冇用嘅木頭都可以被賦予新嘅生命㗎。
How do you do it without doing any measurement?
There's a template on the back, and the router comes down from the top. So everything that this template shows is cut on the other side. Yeah. It's called a pin router, and it follows that pin. And that's how you get it all accurate. I don't know, a lot of people think, but how can you do that? It's like magic. Yeah.
佢喺個底嗰度咧就已經做咗個帽嘅，咁佢呢一個轉咧就會跟住嗰個帽而去到轉窿嘅，所以咧我哋頭先就以為，咦點解 Rick 可以咁犀利，完全唔使度過任何嘢就可以穿到窿嘅咧？咁但係原來佢喺下邊係有個帽嚟跟住嘅。其實通常都喺垃圾堆裏邊揾嘅呢啲木，咁Rick 都係話有時真係要靠自己嘅運氣啦。如果佢見到側邊喺度拆緊樓嘅時候，佢都會入去問下，你要唔要呢啲木啊？咁通常嗰啲人都係話你攞去啦，我仲抌少一件添。不過呢一啲木其實就會變成我哋嘅天堂咯。
我哋就會有新嘅吉他用啦。
There's one piece of wood I'm particularly interested in. It's the one from Chelsea Hotel because I spotted it right when I came in.
Yeah, the Chelsea Hotel.
所以其實 Lou Reed 同埋 Bob Dylan 呢啲以往都試過喺 Chelsea Hotel 嗰度 hang out， 即係流連嘅一啲藝術家咧，到依家佢都會特別聲明話不如阿 Rick 你幫我做一支有 Chelsea Hotel 嘅木喺裏邊嘅吉他。其實呢一樣嘢係一種延續 Chelsea Hotel 嘅精神嘅一種方法嚟嘅。
好犀利啊！啱啱頭先咧睇完阿 Rick 咧，佢同我哋介紹點樣去做一支吉他。原來揀吉他咧，有時咧係從木開始啊。原來咧木頭咧影響吉他影得好緊要嘅。咁阿 Rick 咧佢就揀咗啲好特別有好多歷史嘅木頭去做吉他啦。然後原來佢係一個非常非常之咧有經驗同埋非常之出名嘅吉他嘅製作人嚟嘅。
我真係好欣賞佢，阿 Rick 會將呢啲木攞翻嚟做翻一啲屬於嗰個年代嘅吉他，而俾而家嘅呢一代嘅我哋人用。其實我哋今日揾到呢間鋪真係好幸福啊！
好幸福啊！好啦，盧凱彤紐約之旅迷你音樂會現在正式開始。
OK，Rick 就啱啱同我講咧，佢話你想做吉他，不如我俾你睇下一啲唔同嘅一啲 reference 啊。嗱呢支咧我就啱啱做起俾 Bob Dylan， 佢就未嚟 pick up 嘅，我就呆咗。呢支吉他咧就係屬於 Bob Dylan， 啱啱新鮮做起，亦都係用 Chelsea Hotel 嘅木嚟做嘅。我而家竟然俾佢先一步揸喺手上。Sorry about that。
一首首出色嘅音樂作品，就係用一支支優質嘅吉他創作出嚟㗎啦。
哦，咩嚟嘅咧？呢嚿？哦，呢個係火警，呢個係揾警察。哦，我知啦。呢條柱咧，我嚟報警嘅。其實咧喺成個紐約嘅街頭咧，好多時候都會見到呢一條咧係俾大家用嘅呢個報警嘅警鐘。哇！究竟紐約嘅治安係咪真係咁差咧？都係唔好搞人哋啲嘢啦。